Welcome to your quick changeover journey. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just getting started on your journey towards excellence, this course will enhance your skill set. Before we get started, let me first share a little about Lean Strategies International LLC. It is our vision to educate, empower, and transform lives around the world through the use of continuous improvement strategies. We do this by providing affordable and comprehensive educational opportunities and coaching that adds value for you. This course will be a great first step for you in developing the skills you are seeking to enhance your life and the organizations you work for. You may be wondering, what is this course based on? Quick Changeover with Reduce is based on the SMED system. SMED stands for Single Minute Exchange of Die. The concept is that all changeovers and setups are reduced to 9 minutes or less. A single minute. Shigeo Shingo developed the SMED system over 20 years of his esteemed career and documented the system in his book, A Revolution in Manufacturing, the SMED system. Over the course of Dr. Shingo's career, he identified two main categories for setup operations: internal setup activities and external setup activities. He learned and later taught that many internal operations could actually be done externally. This dramatically improved changeover and setup times while allowing companies to run machines and create value for longer periods of time. The Reduce methodology presents the main concepts of Dr. Shingo's SMED system in a more granular and simplified approach. For even more details, we highly recommend reading Dr. Shingo's book yourself. With that being said, the lectures, quizzes, and activities will give you a comprehensive understanding of what Reduce and SMED is, why you should implement the Reduce methodology, what the benefits of the Reduce methodology are, what the critical elements of operations and setups are, the 4 basic steps of a setup, an overview of the Reduce methodology, and the 6 steps of the Reduce methodology. Now that you have a basic understanding of what you are about to learn, let's get started with the course. Remember that throughout the course, downloads will be available for you in the resource section, so be sure you have access and download all templates and handouts. Also, you can access the materials anytime, so be sure to take your time and go at a pace that suits you. Okay, let's get started with the first module.